Here comes the rest of them. There's one up at the top there. And you got that guy there. And I got this guy here. There's a couple more down in the gulch now. They're all kind of watching what I'm doing. Yeah. See him over there. Yeah, he's standing right in front of the other one. The other one's right on the other side of the gulch. And the other one's on the back side of the pole here. And we got that guy here. And there's a guy right up there. They're all sneaking in and out. Oh, here it comes. Come on, buddy. There he is, right there. Problem is, the more I zoom in, the shakier your picture's gonna be. Because I'm an old man. And this guy here, he's peeking through the grass at me. Look at him peeking through the grass at me. That's really funny. He thinks he's hiding. But yeah, I'm gonna plant some trees along that edge right there. Just so they got somewhere to feel comfortable. Because they like to run back down there. They worry. I mean, they're animals. And I'm a people. Oh, that one turned around. Pretty funny. Now, if I walked away, they'd all come down here and eat. But the younger ones are a lot more skittish than the older ones. The older ones are kind of used to me. They're just like, yeah, that's just him. That guy that puts out our corn. Life is good.